Triggo is a groundbreaking electric vehicle that combines the agility of a motorcycle with the comfort and safety of a compact car. Designed for urban mobility, Triggo features an innovative variable-width suspension system that narrows for maneuvering through traffic and expands for stable cruising, offering unmatched flexibility on city streets. Fully electric and eco-friendly, it delivers zero-emission driving with smart connectivity and autonomous-ready capabilities. With seating for two, a weather-protected cabin, and intelligent control systems, Triggo is perfect for modern commuters seeking efficiency without compromising comfort. It's a bold step toward the future of smart, space-saving, and sustainable transportation. DCTRI Electric Trike. The DCTRI Electric Trike is a bold and innovative three-wheeled electric ride designed to turn heads and elevate personal mobility. Combining sleek design with impressive performance, this trike is powered by a high-torque electric motor that delivers smooth, responsive acceleration and a fun, stable ride. Its unique low-slung frame and wide rear wheels offer enhanced balance and control, making it ideal for urban commuting, campus cruising, or recreational adventures. With a rechargeable battery, ergonomic handlebars, and minimal maintenance, the DCTRI electric trike redefines eco-friendly travel with a touch of rebellious style. It's not just a ride, it's an experience on three wheels. Mubea U-Mobility. The Mubia U-Mobility is a futuristic electric micro-vehicle designed to revolutionize urban transportation with efficiency, sustainability, and intelligent design. Engineered by automotive supplier Mubea, this lightweight, compact four-wheeler offers an eco-friendly solution for city commuting. With its fully electric drivetrain, low energy consumption, and minimal environmental impact, the U-Mobility is perfect for navigating congested streets and tight parking spaces. Its modular architecture supports cargo or passenger configurations, making it versatile for both personal and commercial use. Blending innovative materials, smart connectivity, and modern aesthetics, Mubea U-Mobility sets a new standard for clean, practical, and forward-thinking urban mobility. Rowike Vone. The Rowike Vone is a revolutionary fitness-powered vehicle that combines the full-body workout of rowing with the freedom of cycling. Unlike traditional bikes, the Rowike Vone uses a rowing motion to propel you forward, engaging arms, legs, and core for a complete cardiovascular exercise. Designed by Olympic rower Scott Olsen, its sleek frame and smooth glide deliver an exhilarating ride on roads and bike paths alike. The ergonomic handlebars and footrests ensure comfort and control, while its lightweight design makes it easy to transport and store. The Rowike Vone isn't just transportation, it's movement reimagined for health, fun, and efficiency. GoBoat II. The GoBoat II is an innovative, portable electric watercraft designed for effortless fun, exploration, and relaxation on the water. Compact yet stable, it features a lightweight, inflatable design that fits in a car trunk and sets up in minutes, no trailer required. Powered by a quiet, eco-friendly electric motor, the GoBoat II is perfect for lakes, rivers, and calm coastal areas. Whether you're fishing, cruising, or simply enjoying nature, its circular design offers 360 do-for mobility and unmatched maneuverability. Durable, user-friendly, and adventure-ready, the GoBoat II redefines personal boating with freedom, simplicity, and sustainability in every ride. Onoheel GTS. The Onoheel GT S-Series is the ultimate expression of high-performance, personal electric mobility. Designed for thrill-seekers and urban explorers, this advanced board delivers unmatched power, speed, and stability. With a top speed of 25 miles per hour and upgraded 113V powertrain, it offers faster acceleration, better hill climbing, and smoother control. The refined shaping and concave footpads ensure a comfortable, locked-in feel for confident carving. Whether you're cruising city streets or tackling off-road terrain, the GTS series brings superior balance and responsiveness. It's not just a ride, it's a bold, adrenaline-fueled experience that redefines what's possible on one wheel. Staterle. The Staterle is a striking blend of futuristic design and practical performance, redefining the electric scooter experience. With its minimalist industrial look and wide fat tires, the Staterle offers exceptional stability and a smooth ride across various terrains. Powered by a robust electric motor and long-range battery, it delivers impressive acceleration, responsive handling, and up to 20 miles of range on a single charge. The scooter's clean frame conceals smart tech features like regenerative braking and app connectivity. Built for urban explorers and style-conscious riders, the Staterle is more than transportation. It's a statement of innovation and individuality. Toyota iRoad. The Toyota iRoad is a bold leap into the future of urban mobility, blending the agility of a motorcycle with the comfort and stability of a car. This ultra-compact, three-wheeled electric vehicle is designed for city life, effortlessly weaving through traffic and fitting into tight parking spots. Featuring Toyota's innovative active lean technology, the iRoad leans into turns like a motorbike, providing a thrilling yet safe driving experience. Fully electric, it offers zero emissions and whisper-quiet operation, making it both eco-friendly and practical. With its futuristic design and smart functionality, the Toyota iRoad redefines personal transportation for the modern world. Nautic WaveFlyer. The Nautic WaveFlyer is a cutting-edge electric hydrofoil watercraft that brings aviation-inspired innovation to the water. Combining sleek design with advanced hydrofoil technology, it rises above the waves for an incredibly smooth and efficient ride. Powered by a quiet electric motor, the WaveFlyer glides gracefully with minimal drag, offering superior energy efficiency and zero emissions. Its stable twin-float configuration and intuitive controls ensure safety and ease of use for all riders. Whether for leisure, ecotourism, or luxury resorts, the WaveFlyer delivers a futuristic boating experience silent, thrilling, and environmentally responsible. It's the evolution of water travel. Vuk E-trike. The Vuk E-trike redefines electric mobility with a perfect blend of futuristic design, stability, and power. This innovative three-wheeled electric vehicle is built for both urban commutes and recreational rides, offering unmatched comfort and control. Equipped with a powerful motor and long-lasting battery, the Vuk E-trike delivers smooth acceleration, impressive range, and a safe, balanced ride even at higher speeds. Its bold, aerodynamic frame and LED lighting system give it a modern, eye-catching look. Whether you're navigating city streets or enjoying a weekend adventure, the Vuk E-trike offers a smart, eco-friendly, and thrilling way to travel in style. Inmotion VET. The Inmotion VET is a sleek and intelligent electric unicycle designed for dynamic urban mobility. Combining futuristic design with powerful performance, the VET offers a top speed of up to 19 mph and a range of nearly 25 miles on a single charge. Its lightweight body, built-in retractable handle, and side LED lights make it both stylish and practical for everyday use. The advanced self-balancing system ensures smooth rides and responsive handling, perfect for commuting or recreational adventures. With its seamless blend of innovation, convenience, and fun, the Inmotion VET turns heads while redefining how we move through the modern cityscape. Segway 9bot Pump, a 3-gain. The Segway 9bot F65 is a powerful and stylish electric scooter engineered for modern urban mobility. With its robust 500W motor, it delivers smooth acceleration and a top speed of up to 18.6 mph, making city commutes faster and more enjoyable. The F65 offers an impressive range of up to 40 miles, supported by a high-capacity battery and dual braking system for added safety. Its wide deck, 10-inch pneumatic tires, and sleek design ensure a comfortable and stable ride across varied surfaces. Equipped with smart features like app connectivity in front Rear lighting. The F65 blends innovation, performance, and reliability in one exceptional ride. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.